Racing just started looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Sigma's Treasure, rushing about a yard. That is Dandino. Then next on line is If Your Honor, please. Mr. Slim comes next. Toscana, Tapwise, Yanisong, Taxi, while Director's Hunter is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, now we have Dandino. Takes command over length and a half. Right behind in second is Sigma's Treasure. If Your Honor, please, is racing in third alongside. Now on the outside is Mr. Slim. Taxi to take fifth. Toscana, Tapwise, Yanisong, while Director's Hunter is still in last. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Dandino by about 4 lengths. Sigma's Treasure in second, moving upon the outside, Mr. Slim. Taxi still important, comes Tapwise, If Your Honor, please, Toscana, Yanisong, and a long way back to Director's Hunter, who's still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Sigma's Treasure takes command. Moving upon the outside is Mr. Slim. Taxi comes next. Last 100 meters, we have Sigma's Treasure by about 3 lengths, followed by Mr. Slim, Tapwise, and finally Sigma's Treasure. Mr. Slim, then comes Tapwise, Taxi, close Yanisong, Dandino.
Okay, bayang karibista, ang ating unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 2, only the third choice, numero 3, Sigma's Treasure, na segundo nga dyan. 8A, Mr. Slim, tercero, numero 7, Tapwise, at a close para sa ating fourth,